Today, we delve into refurbishment and topping up of existing buildings using timber. Imagine if you could revitalize old, underutilized buildings and breathe new life into them. What would that look like? Well, timber provides a flexible, sustainable way to achieve that. Refurbishment isn't just renovation. It's a sustainable alternative to demolition. It involves enhancing a building's functionality without changing its footprint. You might wonder, why timber? What makes it special for refurbishment projects? Well, let's delve into some of the unique attributes of timber that set it apart. Firstly, timber allows for prefabrication. This means that elements can be produced in a factory, shipped to the site, and assembled quickly. The streamlined process significantly reduces construction time. The ReSpace system is a complete solution for any building with an exterior. It includes custom-designed construction elements such as doors, walls, floor plates, balustrades, stairs, and windows. All of these are made of sustainable wood and can be assembled on-site into full-fledged living and working spaces. The process begins with 3D scanning of the interior space, followed by automated custom parametric designs generated by proprietary software. The production is digitalized, leveraging an extensive library of pre-engineered components that are immediately suitable for the production process. Affordability is one of the key strengths of the ReSpace system. The production drawings are milled by robots, minimizing errors and cutting losses. The elements are then shipped as flat packs, each with a unique QR code for easy identification and assembly. The challenge was to introduce new structures within the free industrial space of 175 times 25 times 15 meters without compromising the character. The use of timber and ReSpace system made it possible to achieve the high level of design and functional ambition. One more thing that sets timber apart is its suitability for design for disassembly. This means you can easily disassemble and reassemble timber structures, promoting a circular economy and reducing waste. Let's pause to watch a video by Just In Case. This time-lapse shows their pre-housing project built in one day by unskilled workers. The company uses a wooden cassette system for quick modular construction, ideal for internal refurbishments. This case illustrates the principles of adaptability and sustainability in timber construction. After watching that time-lapse, here we see the finished product. A reusable, easily adaptable meeting and presentation space constructed in just one day. We've looked at how timber can be used to refurbish existing buildings. Now, let's shift our focus to topping up existing buildings. Why would you choose timber for such a project? Let's dig in. Topping up involves adding new floors to existing buildings. This can increase the property's value and can often even allow current occupants to remain in the building during construction. Let's take a look at a real-world example. The extension of the Inhauserstraße project in Salzburg, executed in 2021. It stands as a remarkable achievement in timber construction for topping up. This project involved expanding an existing settlement built in 1985, adding 24 new units to 75 existing apartments. Remarkably, the footprint on the facility only increased to include a bicycle garage and a mobility room. This showcases timber's suitability for projects where space is at a premium. One of the standout aspects of this project is its social responsibility. A dedicated team worked with a sociologist to temporarily relocate residents during the construction process. Another characteristic, timber is incredibly lightweight compared to other construction materials. This allows existing buildings to support additional floors without requiring significant structural reinforcement or overloading the existing foundations. Let's look at a case study that beautifully illustrates the benefits and complexities of using timber in topping up projects. We're talking about the City Hall in Linz, Austria, which was expanded and renovated over several years. This project involved renovating an existing building that dates back to the 16th century. Not just a facelift, the building was expanded with a wooden extension of 2.5 floors. An interesting aspect of this project is how the historical integrity of existing structure was maintained. Timber, with its lightweight properties, made it possible to add floors without imposing excessive loads on the ancient structure. With timber, you can complete topping up projects in record time. Prefabricated elements can be quickly assembled on site, minimizing disruption to existing tenants. In 2001, a bright green structure was built atop the Las Palmas warehouse in Rotterdam, as part of the Parasites exhibition during the city's year as European Capital of Culture. The exhibition was curated and organized by Mechtel Stumacher and Rien Kortenknie. What made this project particularly remarkable was its use of CLT for the structure and Kerto, a finished plywood, painted green as the facade. Both materials not yet known in the Netherlands. All the pieces were prefabricated and pre-cut to size. The construction technique was astounding. Assembly on site was just completed in a few days. Thanks to timber's ease of workability, even under challenging and windy conditions, this is a powerful demonstration of timber's capabilities in complex structural scenarios. And let's not forget that the building was meant to be a temporary building. Its construction technique was so that the whole structure could easily be taken apart. For example, a large staircase could be removed and shipped to its next temporary location. This showcases the potential of design for disassembly of timber. The process usually begins with a detailed structural analysis of the existing building, determining if it is fit for a top-up. From there, we can choose from various structural systems, whether you want to use a 1D, a 2D, or a 3D structural system. It is possible with timber. Now, let's look at the groundbreaking case that showcases the incredible potential of topping up with timber in a modern context. meet the Symbiotic Urban Movement, or SUM, a project spearheaded by students at TU Delft. The design targeted 847,000 aging tenants' flats with a modular top-up strategy. This project goes beyond conventional 1D or 2D topping up systems. Instead, it leverages a 3D space module. One of the key advantages here is speed. The 3D module are prefabricated, allowing for rapid assembly on site. That means less disruption for residents and faster project completion times. The 3D space module is an energy positive topping that adds 2 new layers of extra housing to existing flats. In the image, you can see the one-to-one mock-up built by the students. It was initially assembled at TU Delft and then reassembled in Wuppertal for the competition. This stands as proof of the project's scalability and adaptability. To conclude, Timber stands out for its lightweight nature, sustainability, and quick construction. It's a win-win for both refurbishment and topping up projects, offering a greener, more efficient solution.